Today's video is going to be all about how to use Instagram in 2024 to get dream clients coming through to your small business. We're going to go through the 3 strategies that you need. We're going to be covering Manychat, strategic stories, and using MetaAds for growth on the platform in 2024. As a small business owner, you should never rely solely on one platform for your small business. God forbid anything ever happens on Instagram. If it ever goes down, you ever get hacked, you lose all of those clients. What we want you to be doing is having a holistic approach to your marketing. The way we do it, we have Instagram for emotional connection to our audience, email marketing to sell our services, and then we use MetaAds to reach new audiences and grow our following and grow our email list. This is what we want you to do as a small business owner. So if anything ever does happen on Instagram, if the algorithm ever changes, if it ever goes down, you have your email list. This is the list that's 100% yours, and an email is by far the best way to sell your services to your dream clients. Hi guys, if we haven't met before, I'm James, one half of Betsy and Francis. I run Betsy and Francis with my partner Nicole. We are business coaches for creatives. We teach you how to get a fully booked calendar of dream clients. If you're somebody that wants to attract your dream client, raise your prices, and create a profitable small business in 2024, we will show you everything you need to do in an easy step-by-step process. And we'd be honored if you liked and subscribe to our channel. Come through to our Instagram, DM us, let us know you've watched this video, get in contact with us, and we'll show you everything you need to do to create a profitable small business in 2024. The very first strategy you should be using as a small business owner to attract those dream clients in is Manychat. We installed Manychat into our small business and it has saved so much time. It's streamlined our process, it's grew our engagement. It's going to feel like you've got a virtual assistant engaging with your audience 24/7 for absolutely no cost at all. So what actually is Manychat? If you're a small business owner, you more than likely have heard of it, but you've never had a chance to install it in your business. Think of it like this. You create a keyword, that you create a piece of content, including that keyword into it. Your audience will then comment that keyword on that piece of content. Then they'll get an automatic response from Manychat that leads them through to the next stage of the sales journey. So say you've got a lead magnet. You say, comment the word lead magnet. They will then get the response to them in their DMs. They click on that, then they go through to that page where they can download that lead magnet from you. What that will do is start to nurture your dream client down the sales funnel. So you've got their attention, you then provide that free service for them, then you've got their email address that you can email market to them in future so they can become a client of yours in the future as well. This all happens automatically. It's all about setting the foundations right. So get your lead magnet, get Manychat, and then create the content using those keywords that's going to nurture your dream clients down that sales funnel, becoming a client working with you in your small business. And we're under our second strategy, Instagram stories. Instagram stories has been a godsend for us. This last year and a half, we have seen a massive decrease in the views in our content that we've been putting out, but our Instagram stories has still been really, really strong. So the way that we use it, a quick hack that you can use, is for your Instagram stories to get your view count up. We have a poll that we ask our audience. So something that's really, really engaging, that gets that emotional connection with your audience. If you have that first thing on a Monday morning, your audience will engage with it, and then that will increase the view counts. Now, what you do next is key. I want you to speak to camera. So speaking to camera is so nerve-wracking for a small business owner because it's not something that you usually do. It's a skill that you need to acquire. But the reason why speaking to camera is such a big thing is because your dream audience is out there, they're following you, and by speaking to camera and providing value to them like this is going to build that emotional connection. It's going to grow that know, like, and trust factor with them so much more as well, and it's going to put you as the first choice whenever they're looking for that service. So think of it like this. You have a poll on a Monday morning to get the views, and then you speak to your audience about overcoming an obstacle or getting closer to one of their deepest desires. And then after that, what I want you to do, the third slide, is show a testimonial from a previous client. By showing a testimonial, this shows that you've helped people just like them before. And then finally, on the fourth story, what you're going to do is provide a call to action. So you get their attention, you provide free valuable information, and you show your face. You back it up with a testimonial, and then you include a call to action to book a free discovery call with you. And those 4 slides do a fantastic job as a strategic story through nurture your dream clients and then convert them into booking a free discovery call with you. And last but not least, MetaAds. MetaAds is going to give your business amazing growth in 2024. If you're somebody that has not seen the reach on Instagram, pretty much like everybody, MetaAds is going to be the way that you can get in front of new audiences. It's the way that you do it is going to be key, because what you want to do is attract them at the very top, nurture them in the middle, and then convert them in the bottom. That is the traditional sales funnel. But by using MetaAds, this is going to get you to the very top part, the attract. This is going to, whenever you get in front of new audiences, this is going to be your lifeblood as a small business to get as many new eyeballs, and then use your content and your lead magnets to nurture them down the sales funnel and to book it on a free discovery call with you. So I would recommend MetaAds for your small business in 2024. And to summarize everything we've just learned is: 1, you're going to have Manychat to automate your systems and processes. 2, strategic stories to build that emotional connection, position you as a specialist and convert your dream clients. 3, MetaAds to grow your business and get in front of new audiences. So if you're somebody that loves what you've just heard and you want to learn more, click on the bio down below and you can see our 6-figure creative club, where we teach creatives and coaches just like you how to grow a successful small business. The link is just down below, where we teach you absolutely everything we just spoke about before and so much more. And what you can also do is click on the free download, how to consistently attract dream clients into your small business. This is a free PDF that you can go through and learn more, everything what I've just spoke about as well. And I'll see you in the next video.
If you love this video and would like to receive more marketing tips for your small business, then click subscribe to our channel and you'll receive weekly videos around marketing and mindset to help your business reach those income goals in 2024.